leaving because it's going to the storm. Hi, SeaWorld.
Run, baby Josh is going to storm. Run.
SeaWorld. Hello, fun kids. Hi, we are SeaWorld. We're at SeaWorld. Let's go. These are flamingos and they are pink and they like to eat seafood. And they could fly. And they have numbers on their legs. Even the flamingos sleep with one leg to see how old they are. I'm not touching that one.
What are these, Ryan?
Stingrays. They have long tails and they are big.
What are these, Ryan?
Sea cows.
They're Florida manatees.
I'm scared.
What's in there?
I thought I have an alligator. Because they like to eat weed. Or turtles. Because there's turtles in the water. Oh, they don't like to eat turtles. But if you think.
Why are you not going in?
Sharks are scary. I never go in there.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye. Daddy, look, they are out of size. Daddy, they are out of
Baby Josh is going to storm.